I have here some men's steel-toed boots. Just going to show some of the features about them and test them out, see how well they work out in some muddy and wet areas. So they're nice and tall, so it's going to protect you even if you step in some deep water. It's not going to leak in and get your foot wet. So this is a steel-toed boot, so there's going to be a steel piece right here to protect your toe if anything heavy were to drop on it. You can see down here on the bottom, it's got a very aggressive grip pattern, so when you're walking through slick areas, you're going to still have a nice traction on your feet. It's got a little lip right here, so you can easily step on this with one foot and pull your foot out of this boot, so it makes it easier to take off the boots. This is a nice and thick rubber to help protect you, and it's got a nice sole down here at the bottom. It's got lots of cushion to help keep your feet comfortable when you're wearing them as well. So it's going to be pretty easy to put them on and off. They're just going to be slip-ons, so you just put your foot in, right down and in. Then you can either tuck in your pants or you can pull your pants out over the edge like that. It's going to be up to you how you wear it. When it's time to take it off, it's just as easy. You're just going to step on that back lip and you can just slip it right off. So it's nice and muddy inside my chicken coop today, so I've got my boots on because I got to go in here and do some cleaning. So this is going to help keep my feet from getting all wet and dirty while I'm in here in the mud. So there's lots of traction as well. You can see it's nice and slick in here, super soft, but I'm still going to be able to walk around just fine because of the amount of traction that these boots have. These boots are going to help you not slip and fall even if you're walking through some snow and slick areas. So these are also going to be great if you're working in your garden like this. It's going to protect your feet from all of this extra loose, gross dirt and mud when you're walking around through it. It's also going to help protect your feet if you're working with heavy objects and something were to accidentally fall and land on your foot. It's going to help protect you because it's got that steel toe built into the boot as well. So here you can see I've got my pants pulled up so you can see just how tall the boot is. That's going to allow me to step into water clear up to here without any water getting inside the boot and getting my feet wet. Even if I'm in like snow as well, I can walk through some deep snow without it getting inside the boot, and my feet will stay dry and warm. So these steel-toed boots are nice and comfortable. They're easy to put on and take off, so you can have them by your door, and every time you go outside you can slip them on. They're going to be great for working in gardens, yards. If you're on a farm and you're constantly working in dirt and mud, these are going to help keep your feet clean, give you plenty of traction, help keep your feet dry as well if you're having to wade into water. These boots are a great boot to have. They'll protect your toes as well with that steel toe, so if you drop something, you won't even get hurt.